Pablo, come here. There you go, honey. Tika's such a good girl. Pablo, come here. Pablo, come here. Here you go, Pablo. Come here.
Chip, that's a trip. What are the fucking chances of him finding a gun from a guy at the VFW in Morgan City?
Whose name is Randy?
His name is Randy, and has his name engraved on it, and buying it, and later on meeting a woman, marrying her, and her son's name is Randy.
Pablo, look.
You almost found that?
Here, come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Good boy. Breakdance. Breakdance. Pablo. Breakdance. Good boy. Here you go. Hold on. Make sure you get it. There. What do you say, Tika? Go ahead.